everybody, Asal Filipina, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, unbox with me. First is we're going to open the first shoes. I have this one. This is only 299 pesos. In Gaisano is cheaper than in SM. In SM usually 1,000 plus, 1,800, 700. So in the Gaisano Mall is more cheap, but maybe there are also cheaper price. But mostly, what I've seen there is mostly like 1,000 plus. And this brand this is not a sponsored video, but it looks it's very strong. I have to show you how it fits. So we will remove this tag. This is some flats. And another one. Hi again! So next is we're gonna open the next box. I have 4 boxes here. So this one, the first box is done. We're done with it. So we have to put the shoes back to the box. It's very noisy here because I opened the door. And I don't use the mic. So that's why I'm kind of shouting. So that's how I talk. So you have to love my talking. Have this one. I put it back to the box. So next is we're going to open this box. Okay guys, this is going to open it. I have a sponsor of these shoes, but the video are not sponsored. It's only the shoes. And more to come, of course. So this one is also Acrylic shoes because we wanted to have a shiny shoes, but I forgot this one is with scratch. But this one is only 499 in Gaisano. So it's kind of an office shoes. So we're going to pull this out, the tag, strip it later. So here it is, guys. We have more collections now. Here it is. I use these shoes for my custom video and of course at the same time for driving. So again, it's gonna fit this one. Chair rollback. You know what? My chair is also from one of my followers. All of my stuff. So I'm so stingy, guys. I don't spend with my own stuff. It's all from hard work, sponsors, and some followers that are donating shoes. The followers that wants a custom video, they send their own shoes. So this is what it is now. And I ordered in Lazada. It did not come. So that's why I was deciding to just go to the mall and buy this one. So it's going to wear. So oh yes, it's nice. It's not bad at all. So roll the chair. Smell like fish. Well, anyway, okay, next is from my other subscribers. He picked this for me. You can really see it's cheap quality, but it's strong. I have other one. It's quite expensive. 1.5. It's the brand is Rusty Lupis, and you just wear it by. I just wear it by driving, not walking, but it just damaged quickly. The glue is detached. So we have again another one. The price also, it's only 499, but this is not for sale. I'm just telling you that not all the shoes that I have is expensive. I see the makeup, so I'm right now. I don't confuse my fish, especially with pasta and presidents. Don't mind me. So here is guys, what I love this one. I have similar shoes to this. It's a brown from Amazon. So I'm gonna show you. Brown this one, so I'm gonna show you the other one. This is all my collections, and I have brown, but of course this is very expensive and the quality is really good for this. It's from Amazon. This is brown. It's really strong. It's from Amazon. And this one is from Desan. It's black. So far, I have enough shoes, sandals, and there are empty space here, so I have to put back my boots here. I have my other shoes, so I have to put here because it's empty. I forgot to buy a shoe rack today. So this is it, guys, and we're going to make pictures for this one. So next that we're gonna unbox is, guess what it is? Oh my gosh! Oh my god! It's a laptop. I think it's a laptop. Oh my gosh! Thank you so much, my dear. Oh yes, it's a laptop. Let's see what's inside. Of course, I know what's inside. It's a clock, my dear. It's a clock because I need clock here in this room. Because my other clock is damaged. I dropped it. So this one is only 700 pesos, but it's not for sale. Well, more shoes and more donations for shoes to come. So if you want to donate some shoes, if you want a custom video, you can just message me to my Facebook page, First Vlog, or send me an email to my Gmail account. You know where to find. It's just there in my banner of my channel. Well, I have this all from sponsors, from followers. So I would like to say thank you everyone for watching and see you next vlog. Bye!
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.